Okay, turtles, you're free. See all the other turtles?
Yeah.
Hey, can you put them a little closer to...
No, wait.
Oh, there they go. You guys are friends, you should stay together. Here.
He's got the right bad.
Yeah.
He's going for it.
Look at a mama one. That's not mommy one.
Okay, is he okay?
Yeah, he's good. There he is.
Where? Oh, okay.
He's good. He's good. He's good.
You sure he's okay?
No.
He's good. He's good. He's good.
I ain't touching the damn thing.
Maybe he wants to go in the water.
Here, why don't you
He's right there.
place them in the water where? I think he's still down at the bottom.
I'm trying to get out.
He's like freaking out.
Freaking out. Everyone's freaking out. He's going in.
Because the donkeys too.
Going in. Going in.
His little buddy right there? Yeah. That one's got algae on their shells, so.
He's going in.
They haven't seen his big guy come up yet.
Yeah. You're lost.